While everybody's chasing YouTube channels and drop shipping, there's a passive income stream that's quietly making people rich for decades. And 99% of people don't even know this passive income stream exists. This business flies completely under the radar while generating serious money for those who know about it. For someone scrolling through endless passive income videos, trying everything from affiliate marketing to Amazon FBA with little success, these people get frustrated with oversaturated market and complicated business models. You'll be shocked when you discover that ATM, something you use regularly and pass by almost every single day, can actually be owned by regular people just like you. You've been walking past a money-making opportunity your entire life without even knowing about it. People get shocked when I tell them you can own your own ATM. I didn't know it was possible myself 25 years ago. I thought the ATM business was only for the banks, but soon discovered when they deregulated ATMs that people just like you can own your own very own ATM and make money from the surcharge every single day. I then tell them instead of them paying the convenience fee, they can start earning that convenience fee or surcharge fee every single transaction. Telling this is like watching a light bulb going off in somebody's head. ATMs remain a secret. Most people assume all banks own all the ATMs, but they never research this opportunity. Unlike online businesses that get hyped everywhere, ATMs operate in a physical world away from social media buzz. This lack of awareness is actually an advantage. There's less competition and more available locations for people just like you and me because fewer people know this ATM business exists. The barrier to this business isn't money or skill, it's just simple knowledge. This is why ATMs work so well as passive income. They provide essential service that people need daily, access to cash. They distribute cash transactions that can't be minimized by algorithm changes, and they create recurring revenue for repeat customers. This is in contrast with trending online businesses that face constant platform changes, algorithm updates, and market saturation. ATMs operate in a stable, predictable world of cash transactions that have existed for decades and aren't going anywhere. Consider why you're chasing crowded opportunities when there's a proven under-the-radar business waiting for you. This gives you the opportunity to try to get ahead while others are figuring out the next great big thing. If you want to learn about this hidden opportunity, you should explore more videos on my channel how this business actually works. Or if you're ready to get started in this uncrowded space, enroll in the ATM A to Z course to get more knowledge on this amazing opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next ATM Mastermind video.